French dinners before the night out. Paris by night.
Look at this one here.
Let's go. Summer's gone, I'm latching on. Don't even know your name, but you're still in my head. Underneath rays of gold, your body, you're so close. No, I can't forget, no.
Heading home. Fun night out at Wanderlust Club, but I'm so tired. Been walking the whole day. I could use my bed. Oh God, how you guys feeling?
Tired.
So tired. Finally at the hotel.
At what time?
What time is this?
It's 5.
It's 5.
It's
4:10. I need sleep now. Now, sleep now. Yeah. Bedding. That was our room. My bed. The stairs. Pauline and Virginia's bed. The bathroom, the toilet. And full mirror. Heading out. Let's go. And the view. Last day in Paris and we are brunching. Then after this we go to Notre Dame. There's my food though. So hot. Heading to Notre Dame.
Okay then, thank you.
Tomorrow at 7:30 in the morning.
Yeah.
7:30 you can reserve.
Okay, thank you.
So we missed it. And tomorrow we're not here, so it's all we get.
Together?
Pauline's got her ticket, I got my ticket. Where's Virginia? Hopefully she has her ticket. We got lucky. Going up Notre Dame. Oh my God, the stairs, you guys. Why am I tired already? Jesus, why are they never ending? No. I was not prepared. I thought it was like 2 stairs. Oh, what? Are you serious? No. I mean, you can't even gain weight while traveling.
As you can. If you see someone who's gained weight or something, they're not doing it right.
These steps are just too much. Wow. Hope we don't have more steps. You know? I think so. Look at these tiny walkways, my God. Pauline, are you fitting in the tiny walkways? It's a problem. Even for me, it's a problem. Wow. Oh my God. Look at that. Paris from above again. Damn, see the Eiffel Tower. See it?
Yeah, I've also seen the Arc de Triomphe.
Where is the Arc? Oh yeah. Until they come up with some spiral stairs to what? Kill us. Wow.
This is what it means to fall in love. I like it.
Time to go down. No complaints. It's actually fun. Done with Notre Dame. Finally the light. Finally we are out.
This is what it means to fall in love. I like it. I like it. Oh.
Wait, it's not over. Let's light a candle. Candle. Pauline, where is your candle?
Here. It's burning.
Oh, it's burning. Let me use Pauline's candle to light mine. Pauline's candle and my candle. Where's mine?
Where is Vigi's candle?
Vigi, where's your candle?
Oh, I put it here.
Where's Vigi's candle?
Here.
A Another wedding at the Notre Dame. I just came to this place. Oh, there you go. Looking cute. You see how brides walk on the street? Yeah? In flat shoes.
This is what it means to fall in love. I like it.
Bye, Paris. You were beautiful. Thank you.